Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these here. These are some AAA, but they're the solar light batteries because we have some lights that are outside that we have for like our Christmas lights and things like that, and the batteries got yucky over the time. So we were able to get these new ones, and this is by Taken. So let's see what these look like. I kind of ripped open the little box so I could open it up for you easier. But for the most part, it comes with some instructions on how to install batteries, I guess. And then it looks like it comes with 12 of these. And these are the nickel metal hydride batteries. So these are what you would use like on the solar lights outside. That's what we have for our little twinkle lights for the Christmas ones. So now that we're setting up for Christmas, we needed some more batteries. And so these are going to be a perfect replacement for what we've got. So I'm going to say this is a very nice little set. You get 12 of them in here. Comes boxed up like that. And nice little setup. So very cool. That's the information for it if you need that. But very cool. Thumbs up for me on this. I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.